What is mocha coffee? Although a mocha is often interpreted differently across the world, the basis is that a shot of espresso is combined with a chocolate powder or syrup, followed by milk or cream. It is a variant of a latte, in the sense that it is often 1/3 espresso and 2/3 steamed milk. However, a chocolate flavor is added, and this can be milk or dark. What does mocha mean? Essentially, mocha means a type of good quality coffee that is made from a specific coffee bean. The beans are from the plant species called Coffee arabica, and it was originally only grown in Mocha, Yemen. It also means a mixture of coffee and chocolate, or a flavoring that tastes of this. What does a mocha taste like? It is said that a mocha tastes like a chocolatey coffee. Whilst this is true, a mocha is so much more than that. Where the espresso shot offers an almost bitter taste, the chocolate combination creates a sweetness to create a velvety smooth, luxurious beverage. Where did it come from? Now we understand what a mocha is. Where exactly did it come from? It is believed that the drink was originally named after the mocha bean, which is a type of coffee bean shipped from the port of Al-Mocha in Yemen. Mocha beans were known for their naturally chocolatey flavor. These days, the name mocha doesn't reference these coffee beans as such, but rather the presence of added chocolate flavorings in the coffee drink. Cappuccino versus mocha. What are the differences? For starters, the cappuccino hails from Italy and the mocha originates in Yemen. Interestingly, they're both espresso-based drinks, but the mocha contains chocolate flavoring and the cappuccino is topped with a milk foam to form a frothy coffee beverage, sometimes with a dusting of chocolate on top too. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.